Viking Plastics, our commitment to product quality is at the core of everything we do. We understand that our customers rely on us to deliver products of the highest standards. Our dedication to quality begins with our state-of-the-art equipment. We've invested in the latest technologies to ensure that every part we produce meets the strictest specifications. Our recently upgraded Zeiss Contura Coordinate Measurement Machine, CMM, is a game changer. It enables us to inspect 3D features and geometric tolerances with unparalleled accuracy. The CMM is programmed to probe parts for measurement at specific locations, eliminating operator-related variations. Thanks to its computer-controlled operation, we can reduce inherent errors and deliver consistent quality. We utilize a range of cutting-edge equipment to ensure the utmost precision. Our 3D laser scanner, made by ShapeGrabber, complements the CMM by allowing us to measure millions of points in just minutes. It scans a part in 360 degrees and translates it into a point cloud, which can be overlaid to CAD. With this capability, we can identify every high or low spot in a part, using dimensioning tolerances from 2D prints or CAD. We can even create 3D PDFs, allowing our customers to visualize possible design improvements. In addition to our advanced quality control equipment, Viking Plastics has several tools that we use to ensure that we're continually meeting our customers' needs. Our ISO-compliant web-scan barcode verifier allows us to meet the strictest customer requirements during our laser etching process, guaranteeing the highest quality parts for our customers. Our transmissivity tester allows us to test the percentage of light transmitted through plastic, guaranteeing that the customer gets a good laser weld. Our Stare-It force tester has the capability of pull and push force testing. And an X-Rite color spectrophotometer ensures that the required accurate color is maintained throughout production. Our production part approval process, PPAP, is a key component of our quality assurance. Our dedicated team of quality engineers, technicians, and inspectors work collaboratively to validate new products, investigate improvement opportunities, and diagnose any issues that may arise. They ensure that our products not only meet our customers' expectations, but exceed them. Our unwavering commitment to product quality has earned us the trust and satisfaction of customers worldwide. They rely on Viking Plastics to deliver products that consistently meet their stringent requirements. When it comes to superior product quality, Viking Plastics stands above the rest. Contact us today and experience the difference our commitment to excellence can make for your business.